Freshly cut Gandairi is transferred to a large washing tub for cleaning. Automated washing machines thoroughly clean every piece of fresh Gandairi.
Fresh Gandairi is automatically packed into transparent plastic bags.
A customer selects a fresh pack of Gandairi and adds it to her shopping cart.
Each crate is securely wrapped and labeled, with a QR code for tracking and distribution. Thousands of workers harvest giant sugarcane stalks for processing.
Workers tie freshly cut sugarcane into bundles for transport.
A hydraulic loader lifts the sugarcane bundles onto transport trucks. 6 fully loaded trucks are ready to transport sugarcane to the factory. The loaded sugarcane trucks begin their journey to the processing factory. Hundreds of sugarcane trucks wait their turn outside the processing factory. After security clearance, the sugarcane trucks are allowed to enter the factory. Each truck is weighed before the sugarcane is unloaded. The first truck unloads its sugarcane onto the factory conveyor system. The cleaning machine removes leaves, grass, and field debris from the sugarcane. Now the sugarcane is completely clean and ready for processing. Factory workers inspect and approve the sugarcane for processing.
Advanced scanners inspect every sugarcane stalk for quality and freshness.
The approved sugarcane enters the washing system for thorough cleaning.
The peeling machine removes the outer layer, leaving clean sugarcane ready for the next stage.
The removed sugarcane peels are collected separately for waste processing.
Freshly peeled sugarcane leaves the machine, clean and ready for cutting.
The peeled sugarcane is transferred into a large washing tub for final cleaning.
The peeled sugarcane is thoroughly washed in a giant cleaning tub.
After washing, every sugarcane stalk undergoes a final quality inspection.
Freshly cut Gandairi is transferred to a large washing tub for cleaning. The production line splits into 2 processes. One makes fresh Gandairi, while the other automated washing machines thoroughly clean every piece of fresh Gandairi. Powerful washing machines thoroughly clean every piece of fresh Gandairi. Every piece of Gandairi is carefully inspected for quality, cleanliness, and freshness.
Fresh Gandairi is automatically packed into transparent plastic bags.
The packed Gandairi bags are carefully arranged into blue plastic crates for distribution. Each crate is securely wrapped and labeled, with a QR code for tracking and distribution. The packed Gandairi crates are loaded onto trucks for distribution.
After final sealing and inspection, a customer selects a fresh pack of Gandairi and adds it to her shopping cart.
Fresh juice is quickly packaged. Robotic arms ensure maximum efficiency. While most people are asleep, this massive combine harvester works through the night to harvest. Its powerful cutting system slices through the crop with incredible speed and precision. Watch as tons of freshly harvested wheat flow into the trailer like a...
The polishing process gives rice its smooth texture and bright white appearance.
Every day, thousands of tons of corn arrive at this massive processing factory. Artificial intelligence inspects every kernel and removes imperfect grains instantly.